Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to crochet amazing project. For this project you don't need special skills, so it can be perfect for beginners. The pattern for this project based on single crochet on the chain. I will use half of the wool and crochet hook 2.5 millimeter. Let's crochet with me and learn more. For this work you need to have some tools. Please join me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm working on such simple headband that consists of only one round and has one stitch. It is very elastic and double-sided project, so you can use any side of this headband. Let's look at the second side of this band. For this project I chose green color of yarn. Please join me. Write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use it. Let's get started. Let's crochet the headband. Make a chain of 70. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pattern consists of one row and has one stitch. And I remind you, the foundation chain should be made of chain of 70. My foundation chain is ready. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. You should check your foundation chain. It shouldn't be twisted. Let's crochet the first round. Pattern consists of only one row. Make a chain of 2. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Pull up a loop and pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, then pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. This is the stitch on the chain. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. It is very easy to make. It is going to be very interesting swatch. Make single crochet on the chain. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. So I am repeating the same round as I did before. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet on the chain. Like this. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. Continue working, chain off two to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through two loops, and continue working in this way till the end of this round. You should crochet as many times as you need. So my swatch is ready. Here how it looks. I'm done a trim for the bottom part, and now I show you how to crochet the trim for the upper part. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, and let's begin the trim. Make single crochet into each stitch of the previous round. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch that I did on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. Round is ready, and to secure the yarn by making a chain, and I have already cut off the yarn. My headband is ready, and you should remove the yarn. You can use the sewing needle or a crochet hook. In my case, I'm using the sewing needle. So with the needle, go through the stitches. Continue working in this way till the end of the thread. My headband is ready. So that's it, my project is done. This headband based on simple pattern that has one stitch and one row. This is double-sided headband, so you can use both sides. This is one side. Let's look at the second one. Let's measure my project. It is almost 9 centimeters. It can be bigger or smaller, it depends whatever you want. Also, you can use your favorite color and your favorite crochet hook. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Don't forget write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!